Chris here, welcome back to Carlton Motor Company. Have we got something for you? This is an early Christmas present. Just check this out. Ford Transit L3H3. It's 2020 70 plate, mobile workshop, fully loaded. Plenty to look at. Let's have a look around it. So the van itself, 74,000 mile, one owner, direct to us from a major leasing company, a fully loaded mobile workshop. Just check out the rest of the video. I'm not going to say too much. Stunning example. Finance, delivery and warranties available on this van. If you'd like any more information, please feel free to speak to myself, Chris, or my brother Nick. Thank you.